Hello everyone. Let's understand how to simplify fractions. A fraction is in its simplest form when its numerator and denominator have 1 as their only common factor. Now let's simplify the fractions to its lowest terms by taking some examples. Look at the first one, 12 over 24. First step is to list the multiplication facts and find the factors of both the numerator and the denominator. So let's start with numerator first, which is 12. List the multiplication facts for 12. Start with 1 and go up. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. And then 4 times 3 is 12. But we can stop here when the factor pair repeats. Now list the factors for 12 in an ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Do the same with the denominator, which is 24. List the multiplication facts starting from 1 and go up. 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. Then 6 times 4 is 24, but I can stop here as the factor pair is repeating. Now list the factors of 24 in an ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Figure out the common factors first. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 6 and 6, 12 and 12. Now look at the second step. Find the greatest common factor shared by both the numerator and the denominator. And in this case, the greatest common factor is 12. Next step, divide both the numerator and the denominator by the GCF. 12 over 24 divided by GCF, which is 12 and 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 24 divided by 12 is 2. Now 1 and 2 have 1 as their only common factor. So I can say 12 over 24 in its lowest terms is 1 half. Do the same with the second example. 49 is the numerator. List the multiplication facts for 49 first, which is 1 times 49 is 49. 7 times 7 is 49. There are no more multiplication facts for 49, so list the factors of 49 in an ascending order. 1, 7, 49. Do the same with the denominator, which is 70. 1 times 70 is 70. 2 times 35 is 70. 5 times 14 is 70. 7 times 10 is 70. Then 10 times 7 is 70, but I can stop here as the factor pair is repeating. Now let's write down the factors of 70 in an ascending order. 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35, 70. Let's trace the common factors first. 1 and 1, 7 and 7, and that's it. 7 is the GCF. So 49 over 70, we need to divide by GCF, which is 7 and 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 70 divided by 7 is 10. Now 7 and 10 have 1 as their only common factor. So we can say 49 over 70 in its simplified form is 7 over 10. Now for some more practice, you can pause the video and try the next two by yourself. All right, so we have to follow the same steps. The fraction is 46 over 60. Step number 1, write the multiplication facts for the numerator, which is 46 here. 1 times 46 is 46. 2 times 23 is 46. And there are no more multiplication facts. Write down the factors for 46 in an ascending order. 1, 2, 23, 46. Do the same with the denominator, which is 60. 1 times 60 is 60, 2 times 30 is 60, 3 times 20 is 60, 4 times 15 is 60, 5 times 12 is 60, 6 times 10 is 60, and then 10 times 6 is 60. But because the factor pair is repeating, I can stop here and write the factors for 60 in an ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. Let's trace the common factors first. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, and that's it. So the GCF, that is the greatest common factor, is 2. Now, both the numerator and denominator will be divided by GCF, which is 2. 46 divided by 2 is 23. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Now, the only common factor between 23 and 30 is 1. So this is our fraction in the simplified form. I can say 46 over 60 is 23 over 30 in its lowest form. Let's try the next one, which is 12 over 84. Same steps. Write down the multiplication facts for 12 first. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. And then 4 times 3 is 12. Factor pair is repeating, so I can stop here. Let's list down the factors in the ascending order, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Do the same with the denominator, which is 84. Start with 1 and go up. 1 times 84 is 84. 2 times 42 is 84. 3 times 28 is 84. 4 times 21 is 84. 6 times 14 is 84. 7 times 12 is 84. And then 12 times 7 is 84. And I can stop here as the factor pair is repeating. So let's list the factors for 84 in an ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42, 84. Let's figure out the common factors first. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 6 and 6, 12 and 12, and that's it. And the GCF is 12. So I need to divide both numerator and denominator by the GCF, which is 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 84 divided by 12 is 7. So 1 and 7 have the only common factor, that is 1. I can say 12 over 84 is simplified to 1 over 7. So I hope this video helps you in understanding how to simplify fractions. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more such videos, please subscribe to my channel Key to Math.